All right, let's give this thing its inaugural test fire. I went with a bit of a different design on this one. I've got the air going in the back like the original thruster, or I guess combustion chamber, and the fuel coming in the side. Not entirely sure if it's gonna work out, but let's give it a test. Get some power. Got spark. Oh, better turn my gas on. Oh. Oh. Looks like we've got a little bit of a fuel bypass. But see how she goes. Oh. Well, I don't think she likes the air coming in the back like that. So we're going to turn it around and see what happens.